Hi everybody, hello, Rosie Acharya, and I'm doing a video again from Pratibha Collections Private Limited. As you know, we are a Bengal manufacturing house, a handloom house based in Kolkata, and our address is 116 NSC Bose Road. Today I've got you some of the very beautiful pure silk handloom saris. All the saris which I'm going to show you are single pieces presently. You can give orders, but again, it will depend how long it will take. So you have to do the queries to the booking numbers regarding any pre-booking, and you have to order it fast because all these saris would be at very good offers. So I'm going to give you all beautiful muslin and matka saris at offer in this small video, and the video booking numbers will be going down in the screen. I guess you are going to enjoy the video because all my videos are exclusive saris only. So today's video will also have some very exclusive pieces. And if you are liking my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without doing the delay, let's start the video. Starting with a matka guinea. Right now, guineas are very much in the market, and everybody, almost my customers who are my old customers, already know what is a matka guinea. For people who are new to this channel, this is a pure matka silk sari. When I say pure matka silk, you are very well aware matka silk is something which is derived from the mulberry cocoon, and it is an ahimsa silk. When the cocoon stays behind, when the worm leaves behind the cocoon and escapes from the cocoon is left behind with a fracture in between from where the worm escapes. That cocoon is used for creating the matka silk. Therefore, we call it ahimsa because over here the silkworm is not killed to give you the silk. But the same cocoon from which the mulberry silk is derived, matka is also derived from the same silk. So this is the first sari in a pure matka silk Guinea collection. When I say guinea, I mean these beautiful coins. When I say guinea, I mean these beautiful coins, coin kind of a structure which is there all over the sari. Coin kind of a structure which is there all over the sari. And this coin kind of a structure is woven in pockets. You can see that this particular sari, this guinea will not come out in your hand because it's woven in the pocket form. You can also see the sari is having a beautiful muslin pallu, where the muslin pallu is also having this woven pocket guineas. Now this particular sari is also called the coin saris. A lot of people call them coin because you know these guineas which I am showing you right now, which is of the color of matte golden, they look like coins, you know, they look like small beautiful coins, which is giving it a very elegant and shine. And the borders are actually pure Bangalore silk borders. This is a very pure Bangalore silk border which you're getting. Coming to the color of the sari, this is basically a forest green color. The sari's color is actually the forest green color sari. It's a forest green color matka, which is very much in the market. It's a very beautiful forest green color matka guinea sari, and this color is a very beautiful vibrating color. It's vibrating in the sense it's a nude shade which is nowadays very much in, and this is kind of a color complexion enhancement color. इसको आप किसी light color blouse के साथ पहनिए, it is going to enhance your complexion. This is your muslin pallu that I'm talking about. This is the pure muslin pallu that you're getting for the sari. Price for this Guinea matkas, which is absolutely the 2-ply matka muslin Guinea matka that you're seeing right now, which absolutely has 400 grams of pure matka. Price for these saris are 5,500. Shipping is extra, but presently at offer right now, they are 5350. It's 5350 presently at offer. These saris are coming with silk mark. These saris are coming with silk mark. Now remember, again I've told you, ये वाली साड़ी आपको मार्केट में 2000 में भी मिलेगी, 3000 में भी मिलेगी, मगर उसमें देखना बॉर्डर कुछ अलग होगा. The borders are normally of non-tested polyester zaris, golden zari की border रहती है. कभी कभी you will also get like this kind of a border, but you have to see the quality. हमारी जो गिनी की साड़ी है उसकी क्वालिटी जब आप ऐसे करके देखोगे, even if you looking at a very zoomed view, देखिए कितना अच्छी तरीके से the weaving is done. Not a single space is there between two threads, so there is no gap. बट अगर आप सेम क्वालिटी की साड़ी देखेंगे तो यही आपकी प्राइस होगी. मगर मार्केट में जो आपको मिलेगा उसमें आप देखना कि वीविंग बहुत गंदी तरीके से किया जाता है. उसका वेट जो आता है, जो मटका का वेट है, दैट इज नॉट इवन 250 ग्राम्स. सो हमारी जो साड़ी है इसमें मटका का वेट है 400 ग्राम्स. ये एकदम प्योर मटका गिनी है, एंड दिस यू कैन पास ओवर टू द जनरेशंस, राइट. गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट साड़ी. अच्छा, इसका ब्लाउज में दिखा दूं एक बार विदाउट आई शिफ्टिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. ब्लाउज देखिए प्योर मटका का है, एंड देखिए इसमें ये स्लीव्स के लिए अलग से एक जगह दिया हुआ है जहाँ पे आपका पूरा गिनी का वीविंग किया हुआ है। स्लीव्स के लिए अलग से जगह दिया हुआ है जहाँ पे पूरा गिनी का वीविंग किया हुआ है, ठीक है। Removing this saree, as I told you, the price for this one right now at offer is 5350. I'm going to the next saree for you guys, which is again मसलिन साड़ी। बहुत ऑर्डर्स आते हैं मसलिन की एंड बहुत क्वेरीज भी आती है। when there are a lot of queries, I keep on telling कि मैम हम लोग की मसलिन्स are all A grade qualities, and by मसलिन I mean the मसलिन silk, which is the pure and pure रेशम कोरा साड़ी which you can see. Now this one is a हमारी जो ट्रेडिशनल मसलिन जमदानी है, that is the साड़ी पर्पल कलर की साड़ी है। ये एक्चुअली वायलेटिश पर्पल है, ये पर्पल बोलने से गलत होगा, दिस इज मोर ऑफ अ वायलेट टोन। ऑल माय दीवास नो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वायलेट एंड पर्पल। इसमें देखिए थोड़ा ब्लूइश टच ज्यादा है, एंड पर्पल इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेड एंड ब्लू, एज यू ऑल नो। इसमें थोड़ा ब्लूइश टच ज्यादा है, ये थोड़ा वायलेटिश टोन में है, एंड इट्स अ प्योर मसलिन, एज यू कैन सी द ट्रांसपेरेंसी। It's a pure muslin sari. Coming to the weave, the weaving pattern I'm going to show you in single fold. This sari, as you are seeing, it's a transparent sari obviously, but it's pure muslin silk and not the muslin cotton available in the market. This is a sequin sari in the top. As you can see, there are woven sequins on the top. There are woven sequins on the top. आपकी top वाला portion में woven sequins जारी है, and the lower portion of the sari is having this beautiful hand woven jamdani in multiple colors. देखिए इसमें pink है, इसमें yellow है, green है, zari है, golden and silver zari है. This jamdani which you are seeing is 100% pure jamdani, hand woven jamdani, because the same thread is continuing. तो इसमें कोई भी machine work का बात ही नहीं. It's a pure hand woven jamdani. The entire sari is having sequins woven on the top part, and the lower skirt of the sari is going to have this jamdani motif. The color of the sari, as I told you, is violetish, bluish violet. This is the pallu of the sari with this beautiful, beautiful jamdani motif continuing in the pallu too. It's a lovely sari, and I'm going to show you the blouse piece. And this is the turquoise color blouse piece with the sari which you are getting. For this sari, you're getting a turquoise blouse piece, okay? And the blouse piece is of matka material so that you can stitch it and make it into a blouse. I'm going to tell you that these saris are also coming with silk mark, so you be rest assured that you are purchasing 100% pure quality muslin silk sari. Coming to the price of this, it is actually in the price of 7,800. Presently, we are giving you at an offer for 7,500 plus shipping only. Going to the next sari. Going to the next sari, which is another my love sari, as you can see. It's a red color pure matka sari. It's in the Shanai design. You can see the entire sari is in the dark red color, which almost every diva would like. This red is the red which everybody loves to wear. It's the dark red. It's kind of a cherry red color or the dark tomato red, you can say. And both the borders are having the subtle golden zari. इसमें देखिए ये जो zari use हुआ है ये subtle golden zari है, and the original tested golden zari जा रहा है. It's 2 inches big zari on both the borders, and the entire body is having small circular balls which is made out of zari. ये पूरी जामदानी की balls है, पूरा ball weaving है पूरे body में, which is giving you it's a very beautiful effect. Color आप देख सकते हो pure मटका का dark red है, and the pallu is actually of the muslin. This is the muslin pallu that you're getting with the sari, and this is the muslin pallu that you're getting to see, and the pallu is having this beautiful weave which is representing a shanai. Shanai is an instrument which normally in Bengali weddings we play. वो जो instrument है shanai, उसका ही एक concept वाला बनाया हुआ है. ये shanai का ही look दे रहा है, golden zari से बनी हुई है. ये पूरी black muslin की है, उसके ऊपर golden zari का जो weaving है पूरा hand weaving है. You can see it's a complete hand woven jamdani. It's a complete hand woven jamdani. And इसकी blouse भी जारी है running में. This is the blouse piece of the sari. You can see there's a dark red matka blouse piece for the sari, which I'm showing you right now. Abhi presently, this sari is also coming with silk mark, but right now it is having an offer. So this was the beautiful matka shanai, and the price for this one presently, which I was talking about, is at offer. Offer price for the sari which I'm showing right now is 7,000 plus shipping. It's 7,000 plus shipping. So you have to just grab it, because initially इस साड़ी का price बहुत ज़्यादा था. Presently हम लोग इसको offer में दे रहे हैं 7,000 plus shipping. Going to the next sari. ये वाली साड़ी का तो एक्चुअली कोई वर्ड्स ही नहीं है, इसकी कोई जवाब ही नहीं है। प्योर मटका की साड़ी है एंड इसकी लुक एकदम एकदम क्लासी लुक है। ये क्लासी लुक वाली साड़ी है, मतलब इसकी एक्चुअली कोई 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 जवाब नहीं है। साड़ी का पूरा लुक देख लीजिए। ये वाली जो लुक आप देख रहे हो, ये एक्चुअली पूरा चॉकलेट ब्राउन कलर की मटका है। इट्स अ कंप्लीटली प्योरली चॉकलेट ब्राउन कलर मटका एंड द टॉप पार्ट ऑफ द साड़ी इज हैविंग वोवन सीक्वेंस। ये आपका जो सटल वाला शेयर दिख रहा है, it's for the woven sequence, and the lower part as you can see is having a hand woven jamdani। मगर इस jamdani में थोड़ा subtle वाला look देने के लिए we have used zari and gicha। we have not used multiple colors, we have used zari and gicha। ये जो lower वाला part है, इसमें पूरा आपका zari and gicha से हम लोगों ने jamdani किया है। and have a look, this is the pallu of the sari which is also in muslin। ये वाला जो मसलिन पल्लू है आपको जो दिख रहा है, this is मसलिन पल्लू साड़ी। this part is मसलिन पल्लू, okay। And please have a look, it is having a contrast green color matka blouse piece। it's having a contrast green color matka blouse, so it's a very beautiful saree। I'm going to show you in a single fold, showing you the single layer fold of the saree। as you can see, matkas are not at all transparent। you can see the elegance is in the sequence which is coming in the top part, and the lower skirt is having this beautiful jamdani in the golden zari and gicha, and even the pallu is having the continuation of this jamdani, making this sari absolutely an elegant piece। and with the green blouse, it is going to look epitome। price for this one right now at offer is 8,200 plus shipping। price for this one at offer right now is 8,200 plus shipping, and you are going to get a silk mark with this sari too। I'm going to move over to the next sari। when I talk about a matka sari, black is something which we cannot avoid। This one is a jet black matka, and you can see the jamdani motif which is done on both the borders। This is the lota pata jamdani, as you can see, and you have this beautiful intricate hand weaving work which is done in blue, red, golden zari and green and silver zari। So this entire lota work is going on both the borders of the sari. Both the borders of the sari is having this beautiful intricate lota work, and even the pallu is having this beautiful lota work in। So this is the single layer look of the sari, and I'm going to show you the muslin part of the sari, which is a very beautiful part again। this is again the same lota motif which is going in the muslin part, so this part of the sari is in muslin। the pallu is always in muslin with the same lota work, the same hand woven lota work continuing। look at the back portion of the sari, which by which I am proving it's 100% hand woven sari, completely a matka jamdani on both sides with this lota weave। and definitely the best part of the sari is the red color blouse which you are getting with the sari। definitely the best part of the sari is the red blouse which you are getting with the sari। it's a red noil silk blouse that you're getting with the sari, okay। so this sari is also coming with a silk mark which is adding into the genuinity of the sari। coming to the price of this piece, price for this piece is 6,850 plus shipping। it's 6,850 plus shipping। ये वाली साड़ी जो मैं अभी दिखा रही हूँ, इसकी कोई जवाब नहीं है। मैं खुद इसको कट शटल मटका बोलती हूँ। इसको कट शटल जरी कट शटल मटका मैं बोल सकती हूँ इसको। द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द साड़ी इज दिस साड़ी, द जरी पार्ट इन द लोअर स्कर्ट इज एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग, और इसमें मैंने जामदानी वीविंग किया है ऑन टॉप ऑफ जरी। तो ये एक यूनिक वाला फैक्टर है। जामदानी हम लोग नॉर्मली अदर साड़ीज में देखते हैं कि जरी को छोड़ के वीव करते हैं, यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने जरी के ऊपर जामदानी वीव किया है। यू कैन सी इन द लोअर स्कर्ट दिस ब्यूटीफुल जरी वर्क इज हैपनिंग, and the zari the beautiful jamdani work is happening, and this jamdani work is being taken care with the help of gicha। ये देखिए, ये जो व्हाइट व्हाइट वाला पार्ट दिख रहा है आपको, ये गीचा है, एंड रेड वाला आपकी स्टेबल है। तो ये एक कट शटल मटका की वीव है इन द कलर ऑफ लाइट ग्रे। ये एक मेटालिक लाइट ग्रे कलर है, and in one side the zari's border is 1.5 inches big, the other side the zari's border is 10 inches big। so it's having a 10 inches big border with jamdani woven in the border। pallu iski completely muslin की है। you can see that the pallu is also having beautiful muslin work, and मसलिन की ऊपर भी आपकी यही वाली जामदानी जिसमें गीचा एंड रेड वाला स्टेबल यूज किया है, वो हम लोगों ने यूज किया है। एंड द बॉडी इज एब्सोल्युटली प्लेन। इसकी जो बॉडी है, यू कैन सी दैट द बॉडी इज हैविंग दिस sheer metallic exposure which is giving you its normal texture and shine। इसकी ब्लाउज पीस है which I am showing you right now, it is in the running। but it's one shade darker, and you are having this beautiful big zari which you can use for your sleeves or for your back of the blouse. Now coming to the sari's price, I would first mention the sari is also coming with pure silk mark because it's a pure matka silk sari, and the price of the sari right now at offer is 7,000 plus shipping. It's 7,000 plus shipping. Matka tissue cut shuttle jamdani. Going to the next sari. Coming to a brand new launch again from Pratibha Collections. This sari will not be an offer because ये एकदम brand new launch है. हमारी upcoming videos में आपको ये साड़ी दिखेगी. It's just one piece that came out of the loom and I thought I should show it to you. It's a new design Matka Banarasi sari from our Pratibha Collections brand. The sari is coming with silk mark, obviously because it's a pure matka silk sari, and you have to just look at not only the design as well as the color. The color itself is the dark wineish color. It's actually the plum wineish color, and you can see the sheer and the texture and the shine of the matka giving you its original lusty look. Even look at the borders. Just look at the borders. इसकी जो टॉप वाली बॉर्डर है जो आपकी एकदम नेक के सामने आएगी, this is your 1.5 inches border. इसमें देखिए the work is, this is the first weaving, then there is another weaving. So two type का weaving रह रहा है आपकी ऊपर वाला border में, and आपकी lower वाला border में you can see this kind of a weaving which is absolutely lovely. Can you imagine this? ये वाली जो weave आप देख रहे हो ये प्योर बंगाल की प्रोडक्ट है और ये सब बनारस की प्रोडक्ट नहीं है. तो आप ये सोच सकते हो कि बंगाल की वीवर्स भी कितनी टैलेंटेड है. ऑल ओवर द साड़ी यू आर हैविंग दिस स्मॉल बूटास which is there in the body. छोटे छोटे बूटास जा रहा है, एंड पल्लू इसकी जस्ट देख लीजिए कि इतनी बेहतरीन जरी का काम है पल्लू में. जस्ट लुक एट द पल्लू वर्क. जरी का काम में थोड़ा ज्यादा स्ट्रेस कीजिए. हैव अ लुक कि इसमें देखिए जरी के अंदर भी वी हैव वोवन छोटे छोटे फ्लावर मोटिव्स. ये पूरा फ्लावर मोटिव है जो कि जरी के अंदर भी वोवन किया है. बहुत खूबसूरत साड़ी है. इट्स वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड, एंड दिस इज योर running blouse that you're getting with the sari. It's a pure matka Banarasi. It's a fresh launch. Price for this piece is 7,850. Price for this piece right now, which I'm showing you, is 7,850, and obviously this will come with silk mark. And going to the last sari of the video, which is again a beautiful sequence sari, but it's a half matka, half muslin sequence. Again, this kind of a sari is very much in trend nowadays. Muslin is something which everybody loves to wear, and on top of it, sequence is something which everybody enjoys to wear. तो मैंने एक ऐसा साड़ी डिजाइन किया है जहाँ पे मैंने हाफ मसलिन में आप लोगों को सीक्वेंस दिया है. You can see this is the top part of the sari which is going to come in the top, which is having muslin, pure muslin with hand woven pocket sequence. ये पूरा pocket sequence है, and the lower part of the sari is having plain matka. So as I told you कि इसकी look जो है थोड़ी हटके है, very much in the trend. You can see the top part of the sari is having this beautiful muslin which is having this hand pocket woven sequence. ये आपकी top part की look है जो आप top में पहनने वाले हो. And the lower part, as you can see, pleats बनी हुई है. इसमें मटका की जाएगी. पूरा डार्क रेड की लोअर पार्ट जाएगी, एंड द मटका इज प्लेन. सो इट इज गोइंग टू लुक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल व्हेन यू आर वेयरिंग इट. लुक ऐसी आएगी. आप टॉप वाला पार्ट में आप सीक्वेंस पहनेंगे एंड नीचे वाला पार्ट में आप मटका पहनेंगे, मगर मटका आपकी सिंपल होगी. तो साड़ी का लुक बहुत ही एलिगेंट है एंड एब्सोल्युटली अ ट्रेंडी पीस. राइट नाउ एट ऑफर प्राइस इसकी 5450 प्लस शिपिंग है, एंड this is your running blouse that you're getting with the sari. This is your running blouse which you're getting with the sari. It's 5450 plus shipping. Grab the sari क्योंकि ऐसी वाली साड़ी with silk mark, ऐसी color combination, dark red, ये थोड़ा strawberry red color बोल सकते हो आप इसको. ऐसी वाली combination आपको मिलेगी नहीं. So please grab it as soon as possible. 5450 is the price of the sari. So with this sari, I'm ending this video today. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. In case if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. And always, you know that the booking numbers are going down in the screen. You have to take screenshots and do the booking in the numbers given in the screen below. Take care of yourselves. Wait for my next video to be live. Bye-bye.